Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in unique kitchen accessories. Today, we're talking about one of the most adorable and functional additions to any lunchbox, the Cute Cat Rice Ball Molds 6-Set Sushi Molds Bento Box Accessories Kit by BANBALLON. This set is perfect for anyone who loves to create fun and personalized meals, whether you're preparing for a picnic, lunch at school, or just a playful dinner at home. This kit includes 12 pieces in total, with everything you need to make your meals not only delicious but also a visual treat. Inside the kit, you'll find 5 cat-shaped rice molds, a musubi maker press mold, 2 triangle onigiri molds, a rice ball shaker, and 2 handy rice paddles. With all these accessories, you'll have everything you need to make sushi, rice balls, and more in a variety of fun shapes and sizes. The molds are made from high-quality materials like PP, ABS resin, and silicone, ensuring they are durable, easy to clean, and safe to use. The non-stick feature ensures your rice doesn't stick to the molds, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned sushi maker, these molds make the process quick and easy while bringing out your creative side. Imagine making lunch for your kids with cute cat-shaped rice balls or preparing an amazing sushi bento box for your next picnic. This kit allows you to get creative with your meals, experimenting with different shapes such as rectangles, triangles, and round rice balls. The options are endless, and with the included musubi press, you can even make traditional sushi with ease. Not only is this set fun to use, but it's also incredibly practical. Preparing homemade food for your family and friends has never been so enjoyable. It's a great way to impress guests, or even to create a fun family activity around food. Plus, it's perfect for anyone who loves Japanese cuisine, especially those who enjoy onigiri and sushi. With over 250 reviews, this product has proven to be a favorite for parents and food lovers alike. Whether you're looking for a way to make meal prep easier or you simply want to add a touch of whimsy to your lunch, this set is a must-have in your kitchen. So if you're ready to bring some joy to your meals and create unforgettable bento boxes, grab the Cute Cat Rice Ball Molds 6-Set Sushi Molds Bento Box Accessories Kit by BANBALLON today. Make lunch fun again with these unique and playful molds. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to check out more amazing kitchen products in our upcoming videos.